The CHEP 1000 litre Pallecon is the safest and most cost-effective way to ship liquid products while freeing up funds for your core business. Why choose the CHEP 1000 litre Pallecon? Let's compare it to an alternative solution, a typical 205 litre shipping drum. First, let's evaluate the space requirements and operational efficiencies of each container. The CHEP 1000 litre Pallecon provides significant time and labour savings over drums, allowing users to fill and handle just one CHEP container rather than the 5 drums required to package the same volume. When full, CHEP 1000 litre Pallecons can be safely stacked to 5 high without the need for racking, opening up 60% more floor space. When empty, CHEP containers can be stacked up to 15 high. That's the equivalent of 18 pallets of drums, ultimately resulting in an 84% reduction in used floor space. When collapsed for transport, it takes just 1 truckload of high-efficiency CHEP 1000 litre Pallecons to transport what would require almost 4.5 truckloads of empty drums. Maneuvering and rolling the drums can be difficult. The hassle of having a separate pallet that requires the drums to be placed on the pallet and then strapped down is an extra step that often leaves a mess. 4 drums, if palletized, do not fit safely within the confines of a 1200 by 1000 mm pallet, creating a greater risk during storage and transport when full. If unpalletized, the handling requires a special forklift and over 4 times more handling as each individual 205 litre drum is handled versus one 1000 litre Pallecon. Overall, the CHEP 1000 litre Pallecon is a more safe, durable and hygienic container that is far easier to use. Contact CHEP today to find out how you can cut costs, reduce waste and mitigate risk. In addition, CHEP 1000 litre Pallecons are a global leading sustainable solution for the movement of bulk liquid product using the CHEP Share and Reuse hire model. For more information or to request a quote on renting our bulk liquid storage containers, contact us today.